Buddha Dhamma. Buddha Dhamma Vietname Dika Kalat Stitah. The Buddha Dhamma Vietnam Deshe Dri Sahastra Varsha Ti Kalat Stitah. So the Buddhism was introduced in Vietnam in the first century BC until more than 2000 years. Vietnam Rastrena Sah Gubayat Praktah Aste. Yatah Vietnam Buddha Vietnam government Samyukte. Kima Tham Vietnam government Dvi Sahas Varsha Samyukte. Atihasa, culture, the people, tradition, custom all together for 2000 years. That's why Vietnam is considered a very important majority in Vietnam. And Lê, Trang, Lý, Trang, Vietnam, Buddha Dharma is the national religion.